quick analysis on Vechain, a quick update on Vechain. If you watched my previous video on Vechain, I said I was expecting Vechain to at least come up to this level right here, to this here. So I said maybe we might just come at least to this level right here, then push to the upper side, then push to the downside, because the overall trend is still on the downside. But as you can see, it hasn't met what I was expecting it to be, so I might just raise it up a little bit more to this level right here to see what we're not expecting. And so now what I'm adjusting right now is we can see there's a possible move to my negative 27 right here, which aligns here with my trend line right here. We might get to this level before we continue to push up, because I was thinking we might have like an impulse here, a possible correction move, and a continuation to this right here. That is my scenario. Yeah, so that's my possible prediction on Vechain. So let me go to Atom. Let's see Atom, guys. So what are we expecting on Atom? Yeah, so if you watch my previous analysis on Cosmos, what was I expecting on Cosmos? I said there was a possibility that we might push up to this direction, to push us to this overall direction that I think it might go to, because you can see an impulse, a correction, and a possible continuation, at least to that downside. That is what I'm saying on Cosmos. Yes, the overall Cosmos as of right now, you can see it as an impulse, a correction phase, and a continuation phase to the upside, but that is still like an overall direction of it, but we have to take it one step at a time. So taking it one step at a time, we can see that so I can put a trend line here just to indicate that in case if we break this level and retest this level right here, you might just, so if we like push to this direction right here, so in case if we break out of this level right here, we might just retrace this level and still continue to push down to my overall target. So those are the scenarios I'm thinking. And if you put my fib level around this small price action, we can see that where it's reacted from is around my 78.6% fib level reversal, which is my deep reversal zone, which I like. So that's a possibility that you might also just continue to push down, break this trend line, probably retest at that trend line, then come around this level right here, which is 9.902, around that level, and that is around my negative 27% fib level. And we can say this my overall direction, which is my negative 27% of my major direction, aligns with my minor negative 61.8% fib level. It aligns perfectly well with that, so which is around my 8.937. If you look at it well, you can see this two right here. The negative 27 is for like my minor structure right here. This negative 27 is for my minor structure, which is an impulse, a correction, and a continuation. That's my negative 27, which I think it might get to and reverse from. And the minor structure, which is impulse right here, a correction right here, and a continuation, that aligns with my negative 61.8% fib level. So that is just my thought on Cosmos as of right now. So let's see what Cosmos will do. I think as of right now, I still believe it might just continue to. So since it's rejecting off here, you can change this to maybe right here. Let me delete it and just redo. So maybe something like this, like this, like this, and down here. So that's my current analysis on Cosmos as of right now to see what might happen. And this is an update on CHAINLINK. If you watch my analysis, I said you'll be seeing the zone right here. There have been a lot of rejection around the zone. So I said as long as we get to the zone, there's a possibility that it might just reject out of the zone, and the zone aligns with my negative 61.8 reversal zone as well. So that was what I was thinking on there, and we can see I think it's reacted perfectly well. The last time I analyzed it, I think it was around this area right here, and I predicted that we might come to at least this my level right here, and we can see it came to my 8.430 level, which is around my negative 27%. And around that level, there's always, most likely, like I used to say, no strategy is 100%, but around that my negative 27, there's most likely a reversal around that level. So we can see it's rejected off that level right here. So since that has been accomplished, let me delete that one. So what next are we seeing on this one right here? Let me delete this as well. So what are we seeing right here? Since I have it, let me go to like a lower time frame and see. Okay, so what are we seeing right here? We can see like there are touches around this level right here. So I'm still seeing like a possible, I'm still seeing a possible touch here. There might be a rejection around this level to go to our overall target as of right now, which is 9.215. So we can see a first touch, a second touch, and a possible third touch to push to the upside. And if not, there's a possibility that we might break structure. If we break structure here and also break this structure as well, there's a possibility we might just break the structure, come down here to retest as well, and possible come down here again. That's a possible scenario. Another possible scenario is we might just break structure to come to around this level, then fill up this trend line here before we now know our real direction. So as of right now, there are multiple directions it can go to, and that my reason is because we can see it has always been coming from here, from here, from here, from here. So there's still a possibility that it might still want to push into this zone before it's now come down, probably retest and push up, or come down, probably go up, retest that zone and push up. So that's the scenario. But as of right now and what I'm seeing, there's always a possibility that we might reject off this trend line right here to push up to this zone that we are thinking of. And there's also another possibility that it might just push into any of this reversal, fib reversal level around this level to push up to that direction before it come down, or it might just come down directly. So we can't predict the market exactly the way it will be, but we can just analyze and predict based on our price and parallel price action. So based on that, there's higher possibility that we might still push up to this direction. So I'm still going to think we might push up to this direction, which aligns, like I said, with the zone, and also align with my negative 61.8 fib level as well. So that's just my overall analysis on CHAINLINK. Guys, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in my next analysis.